Okay, it's still summer, but Michael's has their Halloween crap out already. Let's look at this lovely garland, and oh my god, a gnome. You have to squish all gnomes. Squish! Here's the section I was looking for, all the cool Halloween stuff. Remember this, I'm going to make this in a different video. This tutorial will be on Halloween bottles. You can see most of these are $8 and $9 and up. But I'm going to make my own. I'm going to reuse this olive oil bottle. I just soak in hot water and then scrape to get off the labels. Here I've collected a bunch of different containers, jars, and now I'm just going to spray paint them. Those super cool bottles are Frank's Red Hot. So start spraying. Okay, that one sucked. Okay, start using spray paint. I'm using black and purples. Just kind of layer them. This glitter stuff is really good, but you got to use a respirator. You can see the different colors in all of these. Here's my olive oil bottle. I'm going to spray these foam roses I got at Dollar Tree and add some more glitter stuff. These are labels I designed and they're available on Etsy for $1.25. I'm just taking a strip of scrapbook paper. I cut out all the labels and I'm using my old Ranger ink pad. I'm going to ink all the way around the edges. Next, I'm going to find some ribbon. I'm spraying it with some mica spray. I have a tutorial on how to do that. Back to school time with the Elmer's glue and just wrap it around the bottle. I decided to cut the lace in half and I used the sticky tape stuff I had and put it on the top and the bottom of the strip. You can also use a ribbon like this. Any ribbon, just use what you have on hand and wrap it around the bottle. It's just to give the bottle some texture. I'm using this cute black cat for my olive oil bottle and the Witch's Brew label, and I'm gluing it with tacky glue. Let's do another one. Wrap with a bit of paper and put a label on. And here they are in my kitchen. The olive oil one already has olive oil. This is that small Frank's Red Hot bottle. I used the ghost poop label. And this bottle just has the paper around it, the label, and a ribbon on top. Look, all of these, just ribbon and the label. And tie some string or something on top. This was my melatonin gummies. I took the cute little tequila bottle, put a little spider on it, and some fibers on the top. This one's one of my favorites. I did happen to have that frog charm, but it's just a bunch of yarns and the label. No paper around it, just the label on the jar. I'll probably store bags of tea or something in there. And this cute little zombie doll thing. More scrap paper and the label. Piece of scrapbook paper and the label and tulle ribbon. And the flower on it. These are all simple. Anybody can do this. I just use the same scrapbook paper over and over. You can get fancier with it, but here they are in my house. Here's this little grouping on my tea station, and the upper shelf has these guys. Oh, and the other side of my shelf has these little guys. And here is a whiter shot. I haven't put Halloween decor yet out. This is still fall. Uh-oh, at the last minute I found this.